Hello students, today we will study a chapter number 3 for class 8 for subject social science. In the previous video we study our chapter, now we will solve the exercise. Let's get started. A. Multiple choice question, tick the correct answers. First, the thick forest of Amazon basin are called monsoon forest, deciduous forest, tropic evergreen forest, savannas. तो इसका आंसर होगा tropical evergreen forest. Second, the anti-malarial drug quinine is obtained from chinchon, sal, bamboo, willow. इसका आंसर होगा चिंचोन. Third, one of these animal is a native to Australia. Kangaroo, elephant, rhino, deer. तो इसका आंसर होगा kangaroo. Fourth, the bison is a native of Mediterranean region, North American Paris. Third, China, Amazon rainforest. तो इसका आंसर होगा North American Paris. B. Fill in the blanks. First, strict rules against dash are required to safeguard the animals. Hunting. Second, bubble tree are found in the desert area of dash in India. Thar. Third, the polar bear walrus are found in the dash tundra vegetation. Fourth, dash forest are found in the delta of river. तो यहाँ पर हम फिल करेंगे मैंगलोर. C. State whether true or false. First, major areas of the Zaira basin are covered with tropical evergreen forest. True. Second, cedar forests are found in the low-lying delta region. True. Third, desert region is not a home to snake and lizard. False. Fourth, major areas of Zaire basin are called with tropical evergreen forest. True. Question number D. Match the columns. First, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Second, the Atacama Desert, South America. Third, the Wild, South Africa. Fourth, the Down, Australia. Question number E. Differentiate between the following. First, temperate evergreen forest and temperate deciduous forest. Second, coniferous forest and tundra vegetation. First, temperate evergreen forest. These forests are found in the region where rainfall is sufficient and temperature is lower than the tropics. Second, its main trees are pine, oak, walnut and mulberry. Third, the wolf, bear, antelope and deer are the common species of animals. Fourth, these forests are mainly found in the southeastern side of the continents. Southern China, southeastern Brazil, southeastern Australia and part of southeastern USA. Temperate deciduous forest. First, these forests are found in the region that lie in the color part of the temperature belt having a mild climate. Second, these forests are found in the northwestern USA and Canada, northern China and Japan. Third, its common trees are ash, birch, maple and Douglas firs. Fourth, its common animals are deer, bear and a large number of birds. Second, coniferous forest. First, large area are covered with coniferous softwood forest toward the poles where the temperature is low all the year round. Second, its main trees are pine, cedar and spruce. Third, its common animal are silver fox, mink, black and brown bear. Fourth, these forests are mainly found in Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Canada. Tundra vegetation. First, the tundra vegetation is found in north of Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and in the upper reach of high mountains. Second, closer to the polar areas lies the very cold zone along with limited plants and animal life due to freezing conditions. Third, in the summer month, beech, willow and a variety of flower along with mosses and lichen survive. Fourth, the common animals found here are polar bears, caribou, silver fox, walrus and mink. Question number F. Define the terms. First, savanna. Savanna, tropical grassland found mainly in Africa. Second, deciduous forest, the forest trees in warmer climate that shade their leaves in the dry season. Third, tidal forest, forests that grow in areas where salty sea water mixes with fresh water. Fourth, evergreen trees, trees found in heavy rainfall areas which do not shed their leaves in any season. Question number G. Give reasons. First, xerophytes are available only in hot desert. Reasons why. And second, there is an urgent need to educate people on wildlife. Why? आंसर लिखेंगे फर्स्ट का द प्लांट विच हैव अडेप्टेड टू सर्वाइव in desert conditions are known as xerophytes. They have many adaptations including thick stem to store water and long root to draw water from great depth. Second, there is an urgent need to educate people about the catastrophic consequence of these activities. इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन नंबर H है उसे हम अगली वीडियो में सॉल्व करेंगे.